Hello, my name is Danny, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the one by Wacom. Wacom? I don't know how to say that. One by Wacom, I think. This is the small one. Other videos I saw online didn't necessarily specify the size, which I was trying to see some of. I think like one did, but anyways, this is the small version. I saw it on Black Friday, and I've been kind of wanting to try a tablet, but I didn't know if I wanted to really try a tablet, and this was such a good deal. And this, even not on sale, I think is pretty reasonable price. I just didn't know about it yet, but now I do, and I'm hoping it's gonna level up my editing. I edit pictures and videos, and so I'm hoping this is going to help level up my workflow and make things much easier for me. Let's get to it. I'm gonna unbox it now. I should set you up better. This is the box. Wait, how do you unbox it? Maybe I should scoot back. Oh, oops. Oh. It's like a box inside of a little sleeve, and there it is. Let me get it out. I should have done this on a table, but I didn't. So you have the tablet, and it's red on the bottom and black on the top. And then we have our cord and these other little pieces. Yeah, I don't know what those are yet, but we'll figure it out. And the little, I guess, is this the instructions? Okay, yes. Well, instructions and like the regulatory statement and all that jazz. Okay. Instructions. Okay. I'm just gonna take this whole piece out. That way it's easier to get the pin out. That's exciting. Two little click buttons there. So that's gonna be fun. So, oops. Okay. Wow. Okay. And voila. Okay. Cool. Oh, that would be nice if I could sit back like this and do stuff. There is where we're going to put our charge thing in. So I'm gonna get this little paper off. Ta-da. I'll leave that there. And I will, wait. Okay, sorry, I just had a I just had a brain. I don't know what just happened to my brain right now. Okay, ta-da. Okay, I clicked it in. Now I'm actually going to see if I can edit right here. And I'm gonna plug this in to the computer. Ooh, and a little light turned on. I don't know if you can see the little light there. Let me see what this other stuff says. So this is what I want to know. This is what I'm trying to figure out. It says I have 3. Yep, that's what I have. 1, plug it into the computer. Good, I did that. Light means it's on. Okay. 2, go to this website. But still, what are... Oh. Okay. So these are extra tips for the pen so that you can change them. See that? So that's neat. I wonder how long they last. Supposedly this mouse only takes 2 minutes to charge, but normally it charges a lot longer when I'm using it. So let's see. Does it really only take 2 minutes? Connected. Guess it does. To set up, we're gonna go to Wacom. We think that's how you say it. .com/start/1. Yay! And then also for size reference, like here's my hand, here's the tablet. Does that help? Doop. Here's my face. Here's the tablet. Okay, does that help with the size? I don't know. Get started. Setup. Starting with your One by Wacom. Setup. Okay, overview. Okay, step 1, plug it in. Download and install the driver for Mac. Please visit here. Okay, I have a Mac, just so we know, and this says it can be challenging due to security settings, blah, blah, blah. Which Mac do I have? I don't, oh, apparently I have an update. Oh, about this Mac. Which one do I have? I have 12.6 there. So we're gonna go to 12. Step 1, compatibility. Download and run. Which one do I have? Where's my box? Is it the one? Is One by Wacom? Is it 2017? How would I know? I mean, we're in 2022 and it has 2021 copyright on the box, so I don't know. I'm gonna go for it. Why not? Here we go. Confirm download. Let's go. Let's go. Sorry, we just got back from Legoland, so I'm trying not to. Oh, I downloaded it twice. My mistake. My mistake. So the Everything is Awesome song is stuck in my head. Okay. Na, 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 na. All right, continue. Will we agree to all this? Sure. I guess so. Okay, great. I had to put in my password. Let's see. Also, while we wait for it to run our package strips, I'm excited about my new chair. My hubby got me. It's because the one I had before was not good, not good. Let's control this computer using accessibility features. Okay. Oh wait. Click the little thing here so it would let me, and I'm going to, will not be able to monitor input from your keyboard until it is quit. I'll hit it later so I can hit this button. To trash, I don't guess I need it anymore. Now let's see if it'll let me do it. Wow, Wacom Experience Program for tablet driver. Help us improve our products. You opt in. No, thank you. Allow the apps below to monitor input from your keyboard even while using other apps. This one, cool. Is that it? Is that it? Is that it? It is it. Okay. What? I don't even have to touch it? What? I thought you had to touch it. Okay, this is blowing my mind right now. Okay, oh, it's trippy. Trippy! Oh wait, I guess probably need to use the little buttons to click. Okay. Wow, whoa. Okay, whoa. Whoa, okay, this is like crazy. Okay, that's gonna take a lot of getting used to. Okay, you should know that I have zero experience with this type of, I mean, and obviously know how to use tablets, but, but I've never used something like this kind of tablet. I don't even know what to do. I'm gonna move you over here. Wow, should I turn it sideways? Would that be better? Yeah, I think it's working better sideways. Oh my word. It just blows my mind that I don't even have to touch. Okay, let's get back here to this one. All right, let's see if I can get down to, hold on. Everything is awesome. Oh, I think my tablet's upside down. Just kidding. I need to get my string going in the right place. Okay, Much better. Wow. Okay, what? Wow. As you can see, I'm really an artiste here. Okay, so if you just hover, it moves around, and I am shooketh. Aww. Like, I'm just curious, over time, does it get scratched up? Like, I'm not like crazy pressing down, just in general with it touching it. I'm not actually applying hardly any pressure. Oh, and you can use this for the pen holder. Stop. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Ah. Can you though? Everything is awesome. I wish that song would get out of my head. I wish it would get out of my head. Got it, I got it. Isn't that so cute? I had to put it in backwards so to make it actually fit. Okay, there we go. Wow, that was fun. That was fun. I will have to play around with this for quite a while. I'm probably gonna have to watch some tutorial videos and figure out what it is I need to do or how to do it or whatever. I want to know who was gonna tell me that I was not finished setting up my tablet. I just restarted my computer because apparently that was a crucial part, because I just totally skipped step 3 and I opened up this little part right here, Wacom app on my computer, and it said no device was connected. I did then log in, and then I was like, oh, I realized I had to restart, and here we are. So congratulations, it says, yeah, thank you. Start. Hover the pen above the surface of the tablet and move the cursor. Tap the pen tip to the surface of the tablet to click. You're all set. Cool. Yeah, it makes more sense that, I mean, it's still a little tricky, but it's way easier to use now. I want to mess with these buttons. So scroll is the bottom one. That makes sense, but I feel like, should I do scroll? But then I don't have a double click. Oh, because how would I scroll then? This is a good question. I need a third button. Can you add a third button to yourself? No? I don't know, I guess, do I just leave it for now? I don't know about, I'm sorry, pen. I've got to get used to this. Mapping. Right now it's the whole thing. Oh, and so I can also change it to portrait mode. Would that be more beneficial for me? What? No, I think it needs to be landscape. I guess if I don't like it, I can always change it. Oh, okay. I don't know. My clicker don't work. My click don't work. Why? My clicker don't work. And my battery's about to die. I really should work on my posture. I need to wear my thing. I have a thing for posture. Yeah, that's what happens. Okay, it was working before I restarted my computer. Like, nothing happened. I just restarted my computer. I wonder if I restart it, not my computer, but the tablet. If I unplug it and plug it back in. Come on, little tabby, little tablet. Nope. I don't know. The only other thing I know to do is to restart once more, because it's not clicking like at all. But it was before I restarted it, so that's like what I don't understand, is why it's not doing it now. Oh shoot, I was screen recording. I hope it saved it. Wow, my computer restarted so fast. So fast. You like lightning. Is your name Lightning McQueen? No, you're the Flash, right? Yes. It works now. It works. I just needed to restart again, I guess. Okay. Oh, my camera died, so my audio is probably still going. Because I have plenty of time, but it's working now, so it's working. Yay. Your name. How cute I can write my name on the back.